Alright, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to teach your dog to shake. The first step is going to be to have a few small food treats, and we are going to place the dog into the sit position. Come here, Busy. So place him into the sit by luring the food up. And the first step is going to be to take the food and you're going to move the food to the right. Good. You see how that lifts up that paw? So watch this, how the paw comes up. Good. Okay, so that's the first step. You're going to do that a few times. Good. And I just say good as soon as the paw comes off the ground. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my left hand right underneath that paw. Good. Good. I'm just putting light pressure underneath the paw, and I'm hoping that Busy pushes her paw off of my hand. Come here, girl. Come on. Good. 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 And that time I did not move the food so far to the right. Good. As she gets better, I'm going to go ahead and start to add the cue. Shake. Good. Shake. Good. Shake. Good. Very nice. Shake. Come here. Good. And you may notice the dog wants to lay down sometimes because they look at that. If you've taught the dog down with that down hand signal, sometimes they think that is the cue for the down. Shake. Good girl. That's it. Shake. Good. One more. Shake. Oops. One more. Shake. Good girl. Good job. Good dog. Okay.